Sonny, ass in your face. Ass in your face. When you come down, you have ass in your face. Alright, cook so sick.
Got me holding on, baby, baby. Yeah.
Look at him bone and grown because he holding on and boomeranging through these streets until the break of dawn and claim you over that, but you're running right back, Bonnie. Don't you know you done and didn't skill that Johnny below? Step it up and then the nigga back and if a nigga slipping up and then the nigga popping bad. What's up?
Baby, baby.
Okay, you're all the way over there. I'm heading towards the right of the map. Y'all head towards the left so I can find you. Please and thank you.
Okay, I see Corey. Hey, Corey. Wait, how do you know what part of the map we're on?
I saw y'all trying to get down.
Luckily, it was online, because I had this,
Y'all regular characters, right?
yeah. Oh, yeah. I must have go to the,
I didn't even see you.
You see the red? Like, I ran some shit.
I think you ran towards the right. I'm gonna hit this direction. Okay, yeah, this is you.
Yeah. She's not eating one. But I only had, I had, chicken cutlet. Because we didn't wait. Wait, who's that? Come here. Who's you? Come here. Chad, come on. Come on. Hurry up. Hurry up. Motherfucker's coming.
You said motherfuckers coming. Oh shit.
Okay, he won't pass. Okay, we can get another box. We can get a box now.
Where you at? Okay, here.
I have no idea. What's she used to that? What's she used to that?
Oh shit.
Down here.
Bitch, I can't get to no ladder. Oh! Get through there. Get through there.
Go to the ladder. Right here. Here, look. Come on, up the ladder. Go up the ladder.
Hold up. You just take it.
Damn, he hit me. Fuck. Oh,
Bitch, you about to die. Get your ass up that ladder and get the fuck out. I'm hiding in a deep freezer.
I'm sorry. He won't fuck with me. He won't fuck with me. Oh my god, he just fucking hit me. Fuck off, sir.
Please get away.
He's back. I'm trying. Get the ladder. I swear to God, he fucking hit me in his head. Oh, yes, he does. He fucking does. Yeah. But I had chicken cutlet. I had chicken cutlet. That was fun. Fucking hitchhiker is over here to right by my my dad. Claire's about to fucking die. Claire's, where'd you go?
I'm in the closet now.
Oh no, I'm alive. I thought there's fucking hitchhikers over there for whatever the fuck reason, but if you got that letter, you killed
Girl, generators on the outside.
I didn't do shit.
Bitch, we've been running in the basement in this exit that you swore nobody ever goes down. Leatherface chased our ass down there and we was keeping it cute and just acting like nothing was about to happen.
Right now, I'm taking the generator off. So I'll see y'all on the flip side.
Shit. Well, I'm dead. Like, Leatherface literally camped the basement the whole time. That one spot. I hope his dumb ass.
Rocket has plastic on it.
You know what?
If I'm running, that's plastic on it. You see that? Oh, it's a rings around it. I can do that. Keep it. No, not him opening it up for me. Thank you, sir. Bitch, did you not see me behind him?
There you are.
Damn, you did. What? Oh my gosh, I just knew you was about to die.
You ain't shit. You ain't never leave. Give me back for the time I did that shit.
Nothing but. I died where you told me to go. That shit was funny because he literally followed us right down that bitch. You said, and you said right behind that, you said he ain't gonna come down. He went past. That was too funny. The whole world got to stop for some whitey hoe. Fell down the hole. You heard that one little bag and ran downstairs.
Actually, you gonna save me. So you ain't what that fucking door? You went around Sam if I kill you.
Yep.
Thank you for that.
It's locked.
I don't know how I just trick.
I feel like that's like one of the most unsafest places to be walking.
Did they see me?
See? And that's all it took for his ass to go that direction. That's why I do not like going down in them motherfucking drains. What the fuck is Johnny doing?
Just me a little bit more.
Not the ladder, bitch. I knew you was dead when you hit that bitch. Sorry. Wait, what just happened? Get your ass down before you come and kill us. Oh, very recent in one of my games. Not Julie, Connie.
Nice. Okay. I'm over here, Julie. I'm right here. Locked. Come on. There's gotta be a way through.
Which way y'all going?
What do I do with this? Hey, what's this? Julie, I'm right here.
Come on back now. Got something I want to show you.
You know what? I'm gonna fight you.
Are they gone?
Yeah, I was already planning on it.
Got this.
I'm afraid you done landed square dab in the shit house.
Fuck. There they are.
Yeah, we got it. We coming.
It's too quiet. I don't like this. Somebody help me.
It's me.
There they are again. I need to lose them. Now. I think it's clear. Maybe.
I'll kick it off as soon as you get it.
You're only making things worse.
We should all just wail.
Where
Better not be messing with
are they?
Grandpa. Better find yourself in a dinner bucket if you do.
Connie, are you leaving? I just want to see if we get caught. At this point, it's hard to go see. Come on, let's go try to get the other side back open. Come on. All right.
Now you listen. I ain't much interested in chasing you around much longer. So stop your running.
Shut up.
This ain't gonna lock the door that we didn't even open. Like, sir, your own killer. Not us. Nah, and ain't turn that shit off. I think. Hopefully.
Really?
Come on back
I'm
now.
standing in
Got
your
something I want to
presence.
show you.
You know what?
You're just a man.
Say it again. No, go back to the beginning. Say that what?
You're just a. That's America's ass.
I have to make it.
No, but it's smarter to do that because you can't move as fast once you kick the generator off, so. All right, family house. Sonny, you coming down?
She's probably fucking with her bacon.
Sonny, ass in your face. Ass in your face. When you come down, you have ass in your face. Get your ass down before you come and kill us. Oh, shit. Yeah, like, when did he wake up?
Hey, what's this? Hey, Connie, I'm here.
Don't worry.
You know what?
Was that loud? Definitely heard that. Oh. Oh, come this way. Okay. This might help the pain.
Huh? Yeah, but I think it's Leatherface that's down here.
Yeah, everybody still in the fucking basement. How long ago did this shit start?
It just started.
Daddy getting chips. Like, you ready to fight? Hey, let me make sure. Hey, Danny. Oh, I'm about to put this card at battery. Here you are. I'm about to just open it. I'm not leaving it. There's a fucking killer all the way upstairs. Like all the way upstairs.
How the hell y'all get upstairs? Who the fuck?
I'm about to kick off the generator for shit.
Can I fit?
So this is one of those moments that I don't know where to go.
He's doing it. I'm about to take off the generator.
Which door did y'all go out of in the house?
We went out to the back. Car battery.
Okay, bet I'm on my way.
I'm gonna take off the generator. Danny's doing not Danny, the other one. He's doing the fucking other round shit. Corey's doing car battery.
Meanwhile, I'm still trying to get somewhere in the damn house because everybody's clocking me. All right, Cook, so since you're distracted going over there,
Of them are there.
You're not cooked in the fucking side garden. Come outside.
bitch, I got scared.
Here we go.
Not the arm.
Where they going?
Is it clear?
Damn, I thought what the fuck? Girl leaving off the pressure gate.
Bitch, had I known that y'all went out pressure gate, I would have went out with y'all. I took the long route.
Someone has to help us.
I just knew that front door was open and I wanted in.